I got very, very thin on the top, and I got to where I was really embarrassed to be out. I wore wigs for a while, but that wasn't suiting my purpose. I needed something that was more permanent, something I didn't have to worry about. Somebody was going to pull off, or if I couldn't go swimming. I couldn't do a lot of things. With a wig, you can't do it. So I needed something more permanent that would look more natural too. Actually, I didn't know about Main Image, but my sister knew that I was struggling, and she said, there's this place in Maryville. She said, why don't you go talk to them? And I made the appointment and come in. Very minimal. I mean, it's no more than what I would normally have to do to my hair if I had my own hair. I go swimming, I go wash it and dry it, curl it. I ski, I wear a helmet on it, take it off, it looks good, you just fluff it up, it's fine. They just told me what was going to happen, how they were going to take the mold, and how the actual hairpiece was actually made, and then it would be more natural, more like my hair than the other system that I had. If you have a hair problem, you need to come to Main Image.